Welcome to the third part of our timeline animation tutorial series. So in this part we want to talk about clips. So clips are reusable animations. So you define an animation or a curve once and then you can reuse it at multiple parameters or multiple other things that you want to animate, and you can change it and it will change everywhere. And for this we need a new operator, and this operator is called anim. So just anim. And the difference here is until now everything that we animated was a parameter that was visible directly. So the animation was bound to the parameter and was fixed on the timeline. So at point X the animation had always the same value every time you replayed the timeline. So with the anim op we can go around this and reuse this animation at any point in time on a different parameter. So let's try this out. So I create the anim op, and the first port, the value port, was already animated. So let's play around with it. Just go somewhere, create another key, and create another key again. Make this a little bit smaller. And if we want to see, so we have the graph view, right? So we see the curve here, but we can also see the curve in the track view, and we can do this by clicking the track. So this is the port name, and then you have this little size button on the right. And when I click this, you will see, we will now see the curve here. And I will just enable this or just toggle this for both of our tracks here. So for our anim op and for the X animation op. Okay, so now we have this little curve here in our anim op. So we want to reuse this. To do this, we have to give it a name. So I click the anim op and check the clip checkbox here. So then the clip will be available to other operators. So let's give it a name, for example, fade in. And now when I change the interpolation method, we saw it before, there's like this fifth type of interpolation method. So when I click this, I get this little drop down here and I can choose clip fade in. So this is our fade in clip here. And now you will see the exact same curve that we have down here, we will see again here. So now when I change this animation, you will see this curve is just changing. So I can just adjust this animation again and add more keyframes, change the curve of this animation, and you will see this is also happening up here. And you can go further from that. So I can just go here, and for this key I also want to choose interpolation clip and then change fade in. And now you see we have the same animation again. And if I drag the next key around, you will see the animation will be stretched. So you can select exactly the time length that you want for this animation. And then in the future we will extend this, so you can have more repeat modes or have one repeat or multiple repeats or whatever, and then you can adjust your clip like how it's displayed here. And yeah, so you can also, for example, create another clip. So let's call this fade out, and now I can change this clip that I used in here to the out clip and just quickly reverse it. So now you see at this point we are using this animation here. So yeah, you can just easily switch between clips and stretch them and change them, and everything should be very flexible to use this way. Okay, thank you.